Good morning. My name is Bashita Kanishka Bandar. Today I am here with the valuable topic is Agile Scrum process. What is it important? Any Scrum without a working product is a failed Scrum. First of all, I would like to tell about what is the Agile methodology. Agile methodology is a method to deliver successful product to the customer. Agile methodology is agility and iteration method for any software development process. Let's look at the what are the methodologies in Agile methodology. First one is Scrum framework. Second one is Kanban framework. Third one is Learn software development. Next one is Extreme programming. A Crystal development framework. Dynamic system development and feature driven development. Next, look at the what is the Agile Scrum. Agile Scrum methodologies and one software development methodology came from Agile. Agile Scrum has Agile project management, sprint iteration, fixed functionality per sprint, product backlog, self-organization and self-accountable team, and daily stand-up meeting. Let's look at the what are the Scrum principles. First one is empirical process control, self-organization, collaboration, value-based prioritization, time boxing, and iterative development. Let's look at the empirical process control. Fully control over the process done through the inspection. The software team always work with inspection. Second one is self-organization. It's mean nobody doesn't tell what to do. No authorized person as one person in the project. Next one is collaboration. Without any commands, everyone works with collaboration. Next one is value-based prioritization. When a software team develops many features, customer has free to prioritize those features based on the value. The value is delivery product to the client early. Next one is time boxing. Time boxing is fixed item framework. It can manage Scrum meeting. It can manage sprint backlog. And time boxing is increase the efficiency of the process. Last one is iterative development. We don't deliver the whole project at once. We deliver part by part according to the circle. In the end, we complete the whole project. Let's we look at the what are the steps in Agile Scrum process. First one is vision statement. Second one is user stories. Third one is product backlog. And last one is sprint backlog. Let's look at the vision statement. It's mean firstly project is started with ideas, goals and vision. That is the vision statement. Next one is user story. In Scrum, the features is known as user stories. Written user stories are the perspective of the end users. There are no technical perspective. Product owners write these user stories according to the priority of the customer. Next one is product backlog. It's mean we put the project ideas and requirement into the user stories. The collection of user stories we call product backlog. This is a huge list because entire requirement are in here. Next one is sprint backlog. Now we want to deliver these requirements to the client. So we select some stories from the product backlog according to the prioritization of the client. The collection of prioritized user stories is called sprint backlog. The sprint backlog is a short-term process. It is about 4 weeks. We started developing, testing, designing, and deployment of the project to the customer. According to the customer feedback, we have chance to re-update the product backlog. Again, we select the next pending user stories from the product backlog according to the customer prioritization and doing the same thing again and again. As with this, several iterations have happened. It is happened on the project. At the end of each sprint, we can get fully tested product with all features. In this process, we can get customer feedback, easily identify our mistakes, and can increase the quality of the product. Let me look at the what are the core roles in Scrum. There are several core roles in Scrum. First one is product owner. Second one is Scrum master. Last one is developers and testers. Let me look at the product owner. Product owner responsible for what goes into the product backlog can prioritize them. Second role is Scrum Master. Scrum Master team facilitator. Ensure team have what they need to get the job done and set up a meeting and monitor everything. Last role is developers and testers. They write codes and make sure what it's supposed to do. Let's we look at the sprint ceremonies. There are several sprint ceremonies. First one is sprint planning. Second one is daily scrum. Third one is sprint demo or review. Last one is sprint retrospective. Let me look at the sprint planning. If we have 2 weeks sprint planning meeting have happened weekly. Next one is daily scrum. A short meeting is happening daily. Team members list the work they have completed since the last meeting. They are discussed what I have done since we met. These are the obstacles I have counted. This is what I plan to do today. Normally, we spend about 2 minutes with each member. Next one is sprint demo or review. Another meeting happen end of the sprint to demonstrate what we have made for the customer. Last one is sprint retrospective. This is a long meeting. It is about 1 hour. After each sprint, this meeting is held to fine tune the process. Each member of the team gets a chance to represent about what we wrong, what we right, and what can we improve the next time around. This is the Agile Scrum process. Finally, I would like to say something. Agile, it is an attitude, not a technical with boundaries. This is the end of my presentation. Thank you.